In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Omnisend pricing. To see exactly what you're paying now and what options make sense as you grow, start inside your Omnisend account and open Store Settings. From there, go to Pricing and Usage. This page is your central hub for plan information. It shows your current plan price, how many billable contacts you have, your monthly sending limits, and any recommended upgrade tiers based on the size of your contact list. It's the quickest way to understand where you stand today and what changes might help as your marketing scales. You'll notice 3 core plan levels outlined on that page. The free plan is set at $0 per month and is ideal if you're just getting started or testing the platform. It includes up to 250 contacts and lets you send up to 500 emails each month. You also get the essential email and marketing features you need to launch basic campaigns if you're experimenting with signups, welcome emails, or a small newsletter. This plan keeps things simple and cost-free while you validate your strategy. As your audience grows, the standard plan becomes a strong fit. It starts around $16 per month as a base rate and is built for growing businesses focused on email marketing. On Standard, your monthly email sending limit is based on your number of billable contacts multiplied by 12. For example, a list of 1,000 billable contacts would include up to 12,000 emails each month. This plan unlocks more advanced functionality than free, helping you maintain consistent outreach without running into tight caps as your list expands. For higher volume needs, or if you want to combine email and SMS in one place, the Pro plan is designed for scale. It starts around $59 per month as a base rate and includes unlimited emails, bonus SMS credits, advanced reporting, sophisticated automation options, and priority support. If you rely on deeper analytics, complex customer journeys, or frequent promotional sends, Pro gives you the headroom and tools to move fast without worrying about email limits. On the Pricing and Usage page, pay attention to any recommendations Omnisend provides. These suggestions are tailored to your contact count and typical sending habits, making it easier to choose the most cost-effective tier. Pricing can vary with list size and may change over time, so always treat the numbers you see there as the source of truth for your account. That's all you need to check Omnisend pricing. Open Store Settings, head to Pricing and Usage, review your current plan, and compare the free, standard, and pro options against your goals.